Hi everyone, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation, and today I'm going to show you a box that I made. And this is a box that I made. And this butterfly is a Cricut cut on Cricut Design Space. And these are little hand punches that I had to make these butterflies. And this is washi tape. And this pocket here was made with the We Are Memory pocket punch board, and I just glued it down on here. And this is the box. You open it up like this, and these could make great gifts, or you can sell them at the craft fair. You can add candy in it. If you want to give it as a gift, you can add a gift card in there. And I put tulle here. This can tie it and keep it together. And there it goes. It goes like that. And just tie it together like that. Or if you want to make it, you can put candy in there, or you can put handmade cards in it. I'll show you some of the cards that I got over here that I've been working on. This cut came from Cricut Designs. It's a Cricut cut. And this is a Cricut cut from the Cricut machine and Cricut Design Space. And this is another one. You can add cards in it. And this one is about, this is about 1 inch. That's how wide it is, how tall the box is. And from here to here, it's about, it's about 6 inches. And from this side to this side, it's about 4 1/4 inches. So yeah, it can be, you could put handmade cards in it, or like I said, candy. And if you're going to sell them at the craft fair, you can make like a little, it's a piece of tulle here I make as a tire. And that I got from the Dollar Tree store. I don't know if you can see it the way I tied it. And it closes up like that. And what I usually do if I'm going to give it as a gift or craft fair item, I take these plastic bags and put them in a plastic bag like that. And then you can get a piece of this. These plastic bags I got from the Dollar Tree store. And this ribbon here came from the Dollar Tree store too. And you just tie it and make it. Yeah, these make great gifts to give to your child's teachers or give to your friend. And then you can take and tie that. And if you want to, you take your scissors. I didn't know what I did with my scissors. You can take your scissors, and this is that gift wrap. And you can curl that up. But yeah, I think that's real cute. That's a real cute little box. And it can be given as a gift. I'm going to take it out and you see it better, but I'm giving you an idea how you can wrap it. And there it goes. A cute little box. That's the way to pack. I run the toolie through this, tools or whatever you call it, this here, and then up under the front. That way you can't see it much in the front of it. But these butterflies is a Cricut cut, a die cut from Cricut Design Space, and this was a punch like I said. And it's a cute little gift box or great craft fair item, and these don't take long to make, so that's why I think it's a great craft fair item. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye. A better way to tie this up. Bye-bye. Have a great day, everybody.